Welcome to another Kokoro Compass video. We're making a little day trip to, let's see, Antwerp. So we're in Belgium. It's a neighboring country to the Netherlands, so it's easy to just go for a little day trip. So you might want to hang around in the station a little bit longer because, yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. Much better than any station we have in the Netherlands. So Antwerp is the second biggest city of Belgium. And even though it's very close to the Netherlands, it has a completely different atmosphere. The streets are much wider, as you can see. And yeah, it's more classical. The buildings are more old. So even for a Dutchie like myself, it's quite a nice little visit. We're on the hunt for some delicious Belgian fries. Is this gonna be the shop? The lucky shop? Ja. Ja. So this statue is created after the story The Dog of Flanders, and apparently it's pretty popular in Asia. So this is the market square in Antwerp with a really epic statue. And the buildings here are really cool as well. And I know they sometimes do bike trial competitions here on this square, so it's really cool to see this. And of course, when you're in Belgium, you need to try some of that Belgian chocolate. Next up, we're gonna take a look at this epic castle. You might think this might have an epic name like Hogwarts or the Grand Castle of Belgium, but it's actually called The Stone. Castle The Stone. Couldn't they have come up with a more epic name? This place feels super forbidden and mysterious, like I'm not allowed to be here. But I think it's okay, the door was open. This statue looks really cool and mysterious, like it has some sort of magic power that's guarding the castle or something. Yeah, maybe I watched too much anime. So Mariko found this pub online. It's right next to the Lieve Vrouwen Church, and this place is super interesting. There's statues everywhere, and it has a really religious kind of Christian atmosphere. Yeah, really unique. That pub was super cool with all the statues and stuff. I don't actually drink beer, but they had really nice chocolate milk as well, hot chocolate with real Belgian chocolate. That was pretty good as well. Next up, we're going to a botanical garden in the middle of the city. So, yeah, you can see there's some palm trees. There's not supposed to be palm trees in Belgium, but yeah, there's a lot of different kind of unnatural trees here. Very relaxing. Is there anything more relaxing than taking a walk through the park? I don't think so. Breathing in the fresh air. Nice.
Nice.
So that's it for our day in Belgium. I'm gonna hop back on the train to the Netherlands, which is always very complicated from Belgium. I don't know why. But yeah, it was a nice day, nice change of pace. And yeah, thanks for watching. And we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.